Here's the truth nobody tells you about building your first $100,000. Everyone talks about investing. Everyone talks about side hustles. But nobody shows you the actual step-by-step order you need to follow. And that order? It's everything. Because here's what happens. You start saving money. You feel motivated. Then someone tells you to invest in stocks. Someone else says, pay off debt. Another person screams, buy crypto, and you freeze. You do nothing. And 5 years later, you're still at zero. I'm going to walk you through all 7 steps, the exact order to do them, the specific dollar amounts for each stage, and the timeline you can realistically expect. No BS, no shortcuts, just the proven roadmap. Let's build some actual wealth. Step 1 is simple but non-negotiable. Save $1,000. Not invested, not in crypto, not in your checking account where you'll spend it on takeout. $1,000 in a high-yield savings account that you do not touch unless there's an emergency. Here's why this matters. Life will punch you in the face. Your car will break down. Your laptop will die. Your dog will eat something stupid and need the vet. Without this buffer, you'll put it on a credit card, start paying 20% interest, and derail everything. This is your foundation. Cut expenses, sell stuff, work overtime, drive for Uber on weekends. I don't care how you do it, but get this done in 30 to 90 days maximum. Open a high-yield savings account. Marcus, Ally, or Discover are all solid, currently paying around 4% interest. Park that $1,000 there and move to step 2. If your employer offers a 401k match, this is step 2. This is literally free money, and you're leaving it on the table if you skip this. Here's how it works. Most companies match 50% or even 100% of your contributions up to a certain percentage of your salary, usually 3 to 6%. Let's say you make $50,000 a year and your company matches 50% up to 6% of your salary. If you contribute $3,000 annually, that's 6%, they add $1,500 for free. That's a 50% instant return. Show me any investment that guarantees that. Contribute just enough to get the full match, nothing more right now. If that's 6% of your salary, set it and forget it. That money goes straight from your paycheck into your 401k before you even see it. Don't overthink the investments inside the 401k yet. Just pick a target date fund that matches when you'll retire. We'll optimize later. Step 3. Kill your high-interest debt. And I'm talking about anything above 7% interest. Credit cards, personal loans, car loans with terrible rates. Here's the math. If you're paying 18% interest on a credit card, that's like trying to invest while someone's stealing 18% of your money every year. You cannot outinvest bad debt. Use the avalanche method. Pay minimums on everything, then throw every extra dollar at the highest interest rate debt first. Not the smallest balance, the highest rate. This saves you the most money mathematically. Let's say you have $5,000 on a credit card at 20% and $10,000 on a car loan at 5%. Attack that credit card like your life depends on it. Extra $500 a month? Straight to the credit card. How long will this take? Depends on your debt load. Could be 6 months, could be 2 years. But this is not optional. You will never build wealth while paying double-digit interest rates to credit card companies. Student loans under 6%, leave them for now. Mortgage? Leave it. We're only killing the high-interest stuff right now. Step 4 is building your real emergency fund. 3 to 6 months of essential expenses, not 3 to 6 months of your income, your actual expenses. Rent, utilities, food, insurance, minimum debt payments. Calculate what you need to survive for 90 to 180 days. For most people, this is $10,000 to $15,000. If you have a stable job and good health insurance, 3 months is fine. Unstable income or single-income household? Go for 6 months. This money stays in that same high-yield savings account. This is your I lost my job fund, your I need major surgery fund, your the transmission died fund. Yes, it'll take time. If you can save $500 a month, you're looking at 20 to 30 months to hit $15,000. That's 2 years. And that's normal. Building wealth is not fast. It's methodical. Park this money, don't touch it, and now you're financially stable. You can handle life's emergencies without derailing your entire plan. Step 5 is where wealth actually starts building. Max out a Roth IRA. A Roth IRA lets you invest $7,000 per year as of 2026, and that money grows tax-free forever. You pay taxes on the money now, invest it, and when you retire, you pull out hundreds of thousands of dollars without owing Uncle Sam a dime. Open one at Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab. Takes 15 minutes online. What do you invest in? Keep it simple. Put everything in a total stock market index fund, like VTSAX at Vanguard or FZROX at Fidelity. This gives you ownership in thousands of companies. The stock market historically returns about 10% annually over the long term. Do the math. $7,000 per year for 30 years at 10% average returns, that's over $1.2 million, tax-free. Can't max out $7,000 right now? Start with what you can do. Even $3,000 a year is massive over time, but make this a priority once your emergency fund is set. Step 6. Go back to that 401k and max it out beyond just the match. The 2026 contribution limit is $23,000 per year. If you're already contributing enough to get the match, say 6% of your $50,000 salary, that's $3,000, you've got $20,000 more you can contribute. Now, most people won't max this out, and that's okay, but every extra dollar you can put in here is tax-advantaged growth. You're either reducing your taxable income now with traditional 401k contributions or growing tax-free with Roth 401k contributions if your plan offers it. The order is Roth IRA first because you control the investments and the fees are usually lower, then 401k to max if you have the income. Combined, if you max a Roth IRA at $7,000 and a 401k at $23,000, you're investing $30,000 a year in tax-advantaged accounts. Do that consistently and you're on the fast track to financial independence. Step 7. Taxable brokerage account and aggressive wealth accumulation. Once you're maxing retirement accounts, any extra money goes into a regular taxable brokerage account. Same index funds, total stock market, total international, maybe some bonds if you want stability. This is the account you'll use for early retirement, buying property, or big life goals before age 59 and a half, when you can tap retirement accounts penalty-free. Here's the beautiful part. Once you hit around $25,000 in net worth, the momentum kicks in. Market returns start doing heavy lifting. At 10% annual growth, $25,000 becomes $27,500 without you adding a penny. By the time you hit $50,000, you're gaining $5,000 per year just from growth. At $75,000, that's $7,500 in annual gains. This is why the first $100,000 is the hardest. You're building the snowball. After that, compound interest becomes your obsession. So let's recap the roadmap. Step 1. $1,000 starter emergency fund. 30 to 90 days. Step 2. Contribute to 401k for full employer match. Immediate. Step 3. Eliminate high-interest debt. 6 months to 2 years, depending on your situation. Step 4. Full emergency fund of 3 to 6 months expenses. 1 to 2 years. Step 5. Max out Roth IRA at $7,000 per year, ongoing. Step 6. Max out 401k beyond the match, ongoing if income allows. Step 7. Taxable brokerage account, ongoing after retirement accounts. Realistic timeline from 0 to 100,000, 5 to 8 years for most people earning median income and following this plan consistently. Not overnight, but proven. The people who hit 100,000 are the ones who execute on boring fundamentals while everyone else chases trends. You now have the complete roadmap. The question is, will you actually do it? Start with step 1 today. Open that high-yield savings account, transfer whatever you can, and commit to the process. Your future self will thank you. This video only for education purpose.